Hello, these are rare birds and they are usually restless. Whenever I see them, I usually relate them with the rain. You'll find them moving about, they are just restless. And you can hear them as they cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Even I thought it was the kaku, kaku bird, but no, it's not a kaku bird. I've forgotten the name, but they are usually very restless. You'll find them moving about. They usually show a sign of rain. Yeah, there goes one. They are just moving about anyhow. And whenever they go there, they go cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Let me show you. They can't even finish a minute there. They are usually restless. That is a sign of heavy rain. Even when I saw them earlier in the year, I told others that some of my friends that one is a sign of heavy rain. And now I wish I could have captured that earlier so that you can see it, because it has become true. So it's not a belief, it's something that I have observed for some time. I wonder where they have gone. There they go. They are going again. You see they are flying from one tree to another. They are usually restless. And they go just cuckoo, cuckoo the moment they reach there. They do that sound cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Now they are gone there. And within just a minute you'll see them flying again back. They are just restless. I usually associate them with a very, very heavy rain. There they are. Even in that tree, they are restless. Wish I could go there, but let's wait just for a while. You see them again flying faster. I just capture it once, and then to my shooting. I don't know how long they will take. There goes the one, flown again. The other tree. Very soon you'll see them. There they are, joining their colleague. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Let's just wait for a while. You'll see them flying again to this side. I usually, even in that tree, they are just restless, jumping up and down. You see them flying? Yeah, there they are. They are coming. You see, just restless. There they are. Now we can capture them. Just within minutes, they are there. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. That's how they go. So I usually relate them with rain. Just wait a few minutes, you'll see again. They're just restless. Let me try and zoom. I don't know if I'll capture them. They're usually restless. Even one has flown already. There they are, two of them. There, you can see them. They're usually just restless. That's a sign of rain. My pap told me there they are gone again. There. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. I wonder what usually they do. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Let me zoom it so that I think you have gotten my. I don't need to keep on shooting. Whoever knows these birds by name, and if my belief is true, it's something I've observed for a long time. Oh, let them fly so that I stop shooting full footage. Let's wait. I'm sure they cannot even finish a minute or two without flying in one place. They're usually restless. It's my pop who observed earlier that usually is a sign of heavy rain, and I've really observed it. It's somehow true. Waiting, they are taking some time. I wonder. They are cuckooing there. Kalu, 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 cuckoo, 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 kalu, kalu, cuckoo, cuckoo. Let's wait for a minute, more minute. I just want to capture them flying again so that you can. they have relaxed. Even there are two there looking at me. Wonder they are stranded with what I'm doing. The camera cannot go that far. There are some flying, but we cannot capture them. They have gone there within a minute. Wish they will fly my side so that I capture them. Keep on waiting. Just waiting. Now they are becoming unpredictable. And that I knew very well, just within minutes they'll be flying by. And they're selective. They are rare in this place. They usually just come. And I think within a short time we might be having a very heavy rain. Waiting. Keep on waiting. I think there they are. See a sign. They're even wondering. I think I'm the one who is stopping the activity. They are wondering. There's one flying, but them not on my side. Wish they could fly here so that I capture them. And let me. There they are. They are flying the opposite direction. I never expected that. They are gone. They're gone. My camera cannot capture that. They are far away.